What the hell's going on YouTube? Just came in from lunch. Went to grab me a little snack. Know what I'm saying? It's George Nelson. Just want to do a quick little review. Ran across this in the kitchen. If you ain't got this, you ain't no stepper. Okay? It goes from kilos or lunch for your kid that's home at school. Then it goes bam, QPs, or an extra apple for your kid's teacher at school. Then it goes to ounces, or sandwich, peanut butter and jelly for your kid at school. Then it goes to, you guessed it, quote ounces, or some goldfish for your kid at school. Like I said, if you ain't got the gold pack, and I'm leaving one out just because I don't want to do Tupperware like that, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to just run game on them like that, just ruin their whole damn company. Y'all know what that one's for. That's for the low. Like I said, if you ain't got this, you ain't got shit. Remember, Jesus saves, George Nelson withdraws. Hope y'all enjoying y'all's lunch today, cause I am. And if y'all sleeping on Bobby Galloway, shit, y'all sleeping on something, cause I just found that boy today on YouTube. I suggest y'all go check him out. It's cold as hell. Cold as hell. That boy got something. That boy got something. Hopefully in the future we can collab. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go platinum. You own that train, buddy. Anywho, y'all take care.